is something that has been looked at for over a year. A lot of discussion. We had town halls. We had surveys that went out to parents and students and teachers and staff. And overwhelmingly, the majority approved of looking into the 4-day school week.
The Iron County Board of Education has now approved to switch to that 4-day school week for the 2027-28 school year. Thanks for joining us for 2 News at 5. I'm Heidi Hatch.
And I'm Brian Schnee. They're considering lengthening the existing 4 days by 15 to 20 minutes. Samantha Hoffman reports from Cedar City.
This change has been a year in the making. It was turned down for the current school year to allow more time and for approval by the state. Now it narrowly passed 4-3 by the board with a 61% approval rating by parents.
I think it's pretty divided in half. You're not going to satisfy everyone.
Parents in favor are excited there's more time for extracurricular activities and family. Those against worry about educational loss, providing more meals, and finding childcare if they work on Fridays.
I think it definitely will be an extra expense, or children will be unattended.
Iron County Schools first considered the 4-day week to save money after a bond failed. Turns out, they say it wouldn't have much long-term savings, but could have other benefits.
Others became interested in it because of burnout with students, that students are so involved in all these outside things as well as school that we're finding a lot of our students are really struggling with that Friday.
Communications Director Shauna Lund says Friday is the most missed day of the week in the county due to family activities and sports games. And they already have an early release for all schools by around 12:30 or 1:30 p.m. She hopes the elimination could boost attendance on remaining days. Some parents have brought up concerns of if they work on Fridays, it can be difficult for them, or if school is good resources for meals for kids. Will there be any extra resources for children who need that extra care?
So that's another part of the planning for this. The district's going to reach out to some of the community resources that are out there. Utah Food Bank, there's an after-school program, some of those things that can help in that area, as well as local daycares and their ability to take on, maybe more students than they have in the past.
The school says a lot of the questions surrounding the week will take some time to answer, but Malia Robbins hopes they consider the needs of all parents.
I just think we just have to have something in motion, some plans.
Lund says there are going to be regular assessments to ensure there aren't any losses in education with this change, as other districts that have done it have had varied outcomes. I also spoke with one parent in Summit who said she's offering to watch any kids for parents who work on Fridays and hopes that other communities follow suit. In Cedar City, Samantha Hoffman, KUTV 2 News.